Do you know the secret formula behind most English sentences? It's just three words: subject, verb, object. Stay with me and I'll show you how to master it in minutes. What is a subject? A subject in English is the person or thing that does the action in a sentence. Think of it this way: who is doing something? That is the subject. For example, I eat rice. Here, I am the one doing the action. So, I is the subject. She plays football. She is doing the action. So, she is the subject. They watch TV. They are doing the action. So, they is the subject. In English, the subject usually comes at the beginning of the sentence. So, when you read or make a sentence, first ask, who is doing the action? That's your subject. What is a verb? A verb is the action in a sentence. It tells us what the subject does. Think of it like this: the verb is the doing word. Let's look at examples. I eat rice. The action here is eat. That's the verb. She plays football. The action is plays. That's the verb. They watch TV. The action is watch. That is the verb. Every complete sentence needs a verb. Without a verb, the sentence is not complete. For example, if you just say, she football, it doesn't make sense. But when you add the verb plays, she plays football, now it becomes a proper sentence. So always remember subject plus verb, the person plus the action. What is an object? Now let's talk about the object. The object is the thing that receives the action. It's what the verb is happening to. Look at the examples. I eat rice. Who is doing the action? Subject. What is being eaten? Rice. That's the object. She plays football. Who is doing the action? She. What is she playing? Football. That's the object. They watch TV. Who is doing the action? They. What are they watching? TV. That's the object. The object usually comes after the verb. So, if you want to find the object, just ask what or whom after the verb. For example, she plays what? Football. Object. They watch what? TV. Object. Can you fill in the blanks? I dash English. If you said learn, you are already on the right track. Keep watching and you'll learn how to make hundreds of sentences in English. Now that you know what a subject, a verb, and an object are, let's put them together in a complete sentence. The structure is very simple: subject plus verb plus object. For example, I subject, eat verb, rice object. Number 2, she subject, plays verb, football object. She plays football. They watch TV. They subject, watch verb, TV object. See how easy it is. The subject does the action, the verb is the action, and the object receives the action. This is the most common English sentence structure. If you can master it, you can make thousands of sentences in English. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice together. I'll give you a sentence with a blank and you say the answer out loud. Ready? He dash pizza. He eats pizza. We dash English. We learn English. They dash music. They like music. Great job. The more you practice saying these out loud, the faster your English will improve. So remember, most English sentences follow subject plus verb plus object. Master this and building sentences become easy. If this lesson helped you, hit the like, subscribe and share your own examples in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.